Hi everyone, today we are going to walk through how to delete a chat on Character.ai, a popular platform for creating and interacting with AI characters. Whether you want to clean up your chat history or start afresh, it's a simple process. Let's dive in. First of all, open your Character.ai app and make sure that you have already logged into your account. And after logging in, you will be directed to the chat section, and this is how the chat section looks like. Unfortunately, Character.ai doesn't have a direct option for delete a chat, but you can use several methods in order to delete a chat or declutter your chat history. So this is my chat list. In order to delete a chat, you can use these two methods. First method is, here I do have a character called Haku Master. Tap on it and that will take you to the chat section. Now tap on their profile at the top, tap on it, and this will take you to the profile. So I was chatting previously. Now to delete a chat, you can refresh it. For that, tap on refresh it. So it will start the chat from the beginning. However, this wouldn't delete a chat history. So if you again go to the character, and under history you can see the history. This was the history. You can either archive it or you can delete it. Another way to delete a chat is to hide the character. Put a tap on the chat that you want to delete and it would open your three options. There's view character, hide character, and share character. If you tap on hide character, it will remove the chat from your chat list. That will automatically declutter your chat list and also delete the chat. And this removes the chat from your history. But you still can search for the bot again if you want to chat it later. And that was the way that you can use in order to delete a chat on Character.ai. I hope this video was helpful. And if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.